Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Kamir Adai, Chief Architect at GEMMA. You might have noticed in the current version of GEMMA that when you open up your PDF report, there's no name that is shown up here in the patient field. I'm going to show you how to quickly add the name back in this short video. We're using the program Adobe Acrobat, which is free to download and use. We're going to go to the bottom right and choose the magnifying glass with the plus, and we're going to enlarge it so it's easier to see. Now direct your attention to the upper left or wherever this menu bar appears for you. We're going to choose the A with the broken line, and then we're going to choose type text, which is the first option. And you see there's a cursor that has an AD. That means it's ready for you to enter your text. You simply click in the area where the name is, and you type the patient's name. Let's say this patient's name is Smith John. That's it. You have now entered the patient's name. Be sure to save the PDF document with these changes before you close it out. See you soon.